Hi guys, so today we will discuss on the taxation interview questions, direct tax, indirect tax, international tax, and transfer pricing. So without wasting any time, we'll get into the main video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can go through my channel and go through other videos as well, where we create a lot of content on different topics like Infosys, CFO advisory, audit, internal audit, FP&A, investment financial due diligence on different profiles. You will see practical videos, and these videos will be helpful for you. And we have a mentorship program where we help people in interview preparation, practical training, resume review, placement assistance, and all. Right. Let's come to the main content on direct taxation, indirect taxation, transfer pricing, and international taxation. Okay. Now, there are three major aspects of any taxation profile. I have worked as a 5 years experience. I have worked also in indirect tax profile, and in articles, I have worked in taxation profile as well. Okay. So there are three major segments of work in taxation. One is your compliance. Just a second. So there are three main segments of work in any taxation: compliance, advisory, litigation. Okay. Now, compliance is your return compliance. Okay, so they might ask you an ITR and all. Then advisory is a legal opinion on the clients based on the facts and this. Whenever client has doubts or concern over the tax implication regarding a particular transaction, they consult for the same. Then there's litigations. Okay, the major one is in litigation itself. Okay, so whenever you are looking for a taxation role, so go for litigation role. That will be great for you. Mm, the questions that can be asked. Okay. Mm. You should be good with your budget amendments. Okay. Important definition, deduction, chapter say Form 26, Form 16, AIS, ICGS, and direct tax related questions is income under the head salary, standard deduction relief provided 99 name, registry tax, provident fund, house property questions that might be asked to you. Okay. If you need this document, I can send it in your email ID. You can comment in your in this in the comment section of the video. Your email ID will share this document. Income rate PGBP. These are the questions that is asked under the capital gain, other sources, miscellaneous topics. Your questions are on MAT, sensitivity for a dividend shipping, bonus shipping, penalty for misreporting of income. The question on transfer pricing. Now, these are all profile direct tax, international tax transfer. These are all niche profiles. So when you're selecting in this profile, make sure you're damn interested in these profiles, because later on, when you want to switch your career, then it will be little difficult to get into an industry, because generally in Big Four you'll get a lot of vacancies in taxation, but you'll not get that much of vacancies in industry as much. So whenever you're selecting a taxation profile, make sure that you're damn interested in this profile, because the exit opportunities will be little lesser compared to a profile like state audit or internal audit, where you can get into finance later on. But in taxation, it is not that easy. You can get into any other role apart from this. So you make sure that you're very interested in these profiles. And when you're doing taxation, okay, make sure that you really like taxation, means amendments and reading the case laws and mm, reading case laws and provisions and remembering notification numbers. If you like that, then you need to consider taxation. Okay. Poetry shows the pricing transfer is a method to sell a product one to another. Transfer accounting for this TP related question is arm's length price transfer pricing introduced by the regulation, international transaction section 92B, different methods of computing arm's length price, due dates, functional analysis and analysis, BAPS. Why there's a guidance are important. How do you search for comparables? On the will be the advanced price and the safe harbor rules, permanent established associated price cup method. In case of merger by one companies are applicable, how much will be allowed and to which companies will be allowed, what is transfer pricing documentation, what is cup method. Then merger acquisitions also, there are different types of mergers are there. No tax statement of EOP. Can Indian company merge with a foreign company? What is permanent establishment to be required for all merger research section 9? Is the update for investments the same? What is the direct transfer? Is direct transfer taxable? Are there any provisions investing in ED company? The provisions of section 47. The reference within slum cell item is sale in each what scenario the cleaning company is not allowed to carry forward the losses. What is FIS? What is a PPT? How it is different from the different domestic R of India? So this is not an exhaustive list. There are a lot of questions in direct tax, international direct transfer pricing. You should be well aware with your budget amendments. Then your articleship experience is very, very important because a lot of questions will be on your resume and your articleship experience. Make sure you have a very good experience in taxation. Make sure you have done some tax planning or you have prepared some written submissions as well. I have not covered indirect tax out here, but in indirect tax, they generally asked you on section 16, section 17.5 block credit, then section 54 refund on inverted duty structure. So that is the questions and or recent amendments which has come in GST registration returns, advance rulings, if any has come any case laws. So you should be very well with your compliance, advisory and litigation profile. And you can follow our channel for more if you need mock interviews in taxation or any knowledge, then we can help you in mock interviews as well. And we have many people who have got selected also through our guidance in taxation profile. You can go and check our videos as well, where we have actually helped the people to get into fund accounting and different types of profiles. And you can go through our channel properly where we have mentioned everything. Mm, in the channel. This was our channel video where we have helped the people in transfer pricing as well. So we have meant to have cleared the transfer pricing international tracks as well. Mm. We have helped the mentee in the transfer pricing international tracks as well. Okay, so that is from my side, and if you can follow me in LinkedIn as well, you can follow me in LinkedIn out here where you can follow me in LinkedIn as well, where we create a lot of content. We create a lot of content in LinkedIn as well. You can follow me in LinkedIn. This is our contact number through which you can call me. Okay, and I have 5 to 6 years of experience and I've worked in all the big fours as well. So our content will really help you, and you can check the recommendations as well. We have a lot of recommendations. Um, you can go through our recommendations as well. A lot of recommendations actually. So this is you can go through our channel properly, and in case we can help you in anything, we'll be more than happy to do it. Thank you so much for watching.